Top travel accessories from Amazon. Home AFI Airplane Neck Pillow. This all-inclusive airplane travel kit will make your next flight a comfortable experience. Made from a lightweight memory foam, soft to the touch, friendly for all skin types. This phone mount enables hands-free watching. iRun Tech Waterproof Case. Offers waterproof, snowproof, dustproof protection for your device with the secure lock seal closure while maintaining full touchscreen functionality. You can also put your passport, tickets and other important documents. Mystery Travel Bottles. It adopts 3-layer leak-proof design, which can prevent liquid leakage or overflow, and is firmly sealed to provide protection for your luggage and clothing without causing confusion. A food-grade BPA-free, safe to use. Merpiso 3-in-1 Magnetic Foldable Wireless Charger. This wireless charging station can charge your iPhone, iWatch, AirPods. This 3-in-1 wireless charger can charge 3 devices the same time. It pays more attention to the security protection function. Tranomose silicone bottle covers. This covers help to prevent the liquid leaking in your bag or cloth. Leak-proof sleeves fit for most travel containers in luggage, such as travel-sized toiletries, shampoo bottles, conditioner, hairspray, lotion, etc. Universal International Travel Plug Adapter. This travel plug adapter comes with USA, Europe, UK plugs all in one design and worldwide universal AC outlet, which is applicable to more than 160 countries. Also, this universal adapters has 4 USB ports. If you enjoy my videos, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and leave a comment to let me know your thoughts.